When we think about age, we usually measure it in Earth years, the time it takes our planet to orbit the sun once. But what if you weren't on Earth? And what if you lived on Mercury or Jupiter? How old would you be then? At first, I would like to introduce myself. Then, this is M. Diptakharul Alam. I'm a teacher and freelancer. So, recently I found a fascinating website that calculates your exact age, not just on Earth but across the entire solar system. And this is the website Exploratorium. I'm sorry. And when I entered my birthday here, my birthday is now 17 November 1997, and the result completely changed my perspective on time here. Let's start with our home planet, I mean Earth. In this Earth, or according the calculation, I am just 27.88 years old here, and with my next birthday on November 17, 2025. That's the world I know. Okay, one revolution around the sun every 365 days. But once we leave Earth, everything began to shift. On Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, years pass incredibly fast. I mean, sorry. I mean, here a year moves very fast, or very fastest way. Okay, a full orbit takes just 88 Earth days, and that means I already lived the equivalent of 115.78 Mercurian years. My next Mercury birthday, October 26, 2025, just days away. After some days, but move a little further out to Venus. Okay, and time slows dramatically. A single Venusian year equal 2 to 5 Earth days. There I am only 45.33 years old. So older, right? And my next birthday won't come until March 6, 2026. On Mars, this is the Mars. On Mars, where a year lasts nearly twice as long as ours, I'd be 14.83 Martian years old. My next Martian birthday lands on February 3, 2026. In the Jupiter, the massive gas planet that dominates our solar system, a single year on Jupiter takes almost 12 Earth years to complete, and it makes me only 2.35 Jovian years old. With my next birthday far in my future, June 19, 2033. That means my next birthday in Jupiter will June 19, 2033. In Saturn, Saturn known for its iconic rings. Here is the rings. Move even slower. I haven't even reached one Saturn year yet. I'm only 0.95 years old there, and my next Saturn birthday arrives on May 4, 2027. That means my next birthday according to Saturn year will be May 4, 2027. Further out lies Uranus, a world that takes 84 years Earth years to orbit the sun once. There I'm just 0.33 years old, and I wouldn't celebrate my first Uranian year birthday November 21, 2081. That means my next birthday will be November 21, 2081. So I'm not sure that if I can celebrate my next birthday in here. And Neptune, the distant blue planet, moves slower still. I'm 0.17 years old there. With my next birthday in the distant future, and my next birthday in Neptune will be September 3, 2162. That means after one, it's a far time, it's a very near future. And finally, we reach the icy dwarf planet Pluto. A single plutonium years last 248 Earth years. That means I'm only 0.11 plutonium years old. Practically a newborn baby. My next birthday there. My next birthday there will June 25, 2246. Strange, right? More than 2 centuries from now. If I'm alive, no, it's not possible. So, depending on where I stand on the solar system, I can be 115 years old or barely a few months old. It's a reminder that time isn't a universal. It bends and stretches with the motion of each world. Every planet tells a different story of time, distance, and motion around the same star we all share. If you'd like to discover your own age across the planets, I've left the link of the in the description. That means this website link, and go ahead, explore your place in the cosmos and see how time flows when you look beyond Earth. Thank you very much. Keep me on your prayer. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.